We got Sandy's Lowrider ST right there. We're actually going to take a ride now. I got to go pick up the plate for the Busa. Oh, I need my gloves. It's about 40 degrees. And then we're going to stop by Nadal's warehouse in Newark, New Jersey. There's Mad Max. Let's flip her on and give you guys a startup, which you guys love. Sandy's going to jizz his pants now. That's the shit, yo. Right there. Dude, that never gets old, man. Look at that thing. Vibrating, shaking, rattling, rolling. Got the short windshield on. Clockwork 6-inch blacked out windshield for the summer 2022 Lowrider ST. Is going to be getting a cam in it. 30-30 cam. What exhaust you're going with?
I can't tell you yet.
Oh. All right, scratch that. He's not telling anybody. Oh, man. Oh, baby. Slap the heated grips on. I got to get gas. Low fuel detected. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It definitely feels and looks different, even from the cockpit with the shorter windshield. All right, let me go get some gas. You a little chilly, buddy? Yeah. No SD card. Huh? You forgot to put it in? What is this saying? Oh no, it's recording. Clap it. But the taller windshields for long trips, you cannot beat it. It's like I keep telling people, you know, if you're going on a long trip, you want great wind protection, especially if you're going to be, you know, 800-900 mile days. You want that good wind protection. They are actually going to be imploding that building on April 15th. Let's see if we can get some footage of that. Stay tuned. It's the old Nabisco factory. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, a little McLaren action. I cannot wait for the warm weather to come. I'm done with the cold this year. Ah, that thing is beautiful. So I tell you, I definitely do feel obviously more wind with the 6-inch. That's a definite. But as hot and humid as it gets here in northern New Jersey, that's going to definitely be good. Because it just gets way, way too hot and humid. I remember doing some rides, you know, that were even close here in New Jersey last summer with the taller windshield, and you don't have enough airflow over your body, you start sweating. So hopefully with the shorter windshield, this should help. Get that lean angle in there, boys. Let me know in a comment down below, guys. Let me know who is going to Milwaukee, who's actually making it out there, who's making the trek out to Milwaukee for the 120th. That's gonna be probably amazing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be there or not yet. I hope to be, but we shall see. Run in and grab my plates really quick. All right, got the plates. Now we're gonna go take a ride over to Nadal's warehouse. Let's see if he's got his bike today. Plug in the heated jacket, get a little comfy. So we're going to be hopping back on Route 21 and heading into Newark. The roads are like caca over here. Friggin' potholes, oh my God. Holy cow. Almost flew off the bike. Holy shit. Crazy. ADV, bro. See what I'm talking about? These freaking roads. Where's our taxpayer dollars going? Tell me. Tell me where they're going. Not to the damn freaking infrastructure. I'll tell you that right now. Holy cow, that was like a ramp. If you didn't see that like late at night, forget about it. You'd be off the bike. You hit that doing like 40, 50 miles an hour, holy shit, you're screwed. Oh, these roads suck. Absolutely atrocious. Over here, your head has to be on a swivel, boy. On a swivel. Dude, did you... Like 2 feet up in the air. I know, it's crazy. I just seen it, and I stood off the bike. If I didn't, it would have probably threw me off the bike. Crazy. So right here, this is downtown Newark. And we're going to be going into the Ironbound section, which is kind of primarily Portuguese, Spanish, Brazilian, a lot of Portuguese, Spanish, Brazilian restaurants. So, man, some of the best food around. Ironbound section. Come check it out. Head on a swivel, boys. Right here, you got Newark Penn Station. The train station right there. Green light, fella. Green light. I'm gonna say probably like 95% of like all accidents, you guys know this, usually happen within a couple miles from home. You know, and it's usually not on the highway, believe it or not. It's usually not at fast speeds. You know, people would think, oh, that's at fast speeds. It's not. It's places like this, 20, 30 miles an hour, intersection. People just People blowing stop signs, blowing red lights, you know, not paying attention. But, you know, when you're on a highway, that's when I feel safest. That's when I feel safest. Mamoun's Falafel. There it is. Our boy Nadal's place. Huh?
Yeah, but I never saw it.
No, it's I put it.
Look who we got here. My boy Nadal. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, that's the picture of the New York store, right?
That's the original one.
I'm sure you guys know. If you didn't, if you guys been watching the videos, my boy Nadal and his family own Mamoun's Falafel. How many locations?
7.
7 locations in the city, New Jersey, Connecticut still? Connecticut, Princeton. Excellent. Atlanta? Get out of here.
Yeah.
Excellent food, guys. I'm telling you. So definitely check it out. If you're ever in one of the areas, stop by and tell them you watch my boy Nadal on YouTube. with the 131 and the CVO. Oh, come on, double, triple. What do you mean double?
Use code Fanatix and
Yeah.
get 10% off.
Use code Fanatix, you get charged double. Making some coffee.
Cut big, John.
This one's big.
Yeah.
All right, Nadal is gonna take us for a tour. This is his warehouse. What do you do here, Nadal?
We produce the foods for the restaurants.
For the restaurants, right?
For consistency, so all our products taste the same in every location.
So we gotta get dressed up. Let me show you guys around. Like Dr. Mamoun, check this out. Look at this. Ready? I should put the collar up. Let's go. Where's the hat then? What is that, a condom, Sandy? Look, there we go.
That's right. You're ready to go. You look like a butcher.
Butcher.
Everything was good over there. All right.
Wow.
Where do we start?
So this is where the magic happens, no?
Yeah.
This is where
Deliveries come in
this is where it all
here.
starts. From here to your table. What's in the barrels? I'm scared to ask. Acid.
That's your YouTube
That's
competition.
that's where he gets rid of the evidence.
Spice room.
Wow, it smells so good. Oh yeah. It smells so good in here. Nice. Wow. It's a lot of onions, my man. Hello. Oh, it's cold. So this is like a walk-in box, big walk-in box. Wow.
The products, the products that we.
Oh, gotcha. So this is all already ready to go to the
Ready
stores.
to go to the stores.
Amazing. Amazing. Yeah.
He was at that falafel store, so go to New York.
Friggin' Sandy. What is it looking? Oh, that's the freezer. Oh, wow. The freezer box.
It's minus 10 degrees.
Minus 10.
Yeah.
No thanks. Oh, yeah, it is cold. Man, it's cold in there, boy. So is that room cold as well?
It's like
Oh,
this,
it is?
34
Okay.
degrees.
Garlic? Look at garlic. Oh, yeah. Oh, hummus. We need some. Look at Sandy. Oh. Hummus. Oh, wow.
Nadal does all the maintenance on the machine itself. It's as complicated as putting a pan.
That's so cool. Hey, could I just put my head under that? Wow. Oh, it's warm in here.
These are the machines we use to make.
Oh, wow. A lot of cleaning too afterwards.
yeah.
Huh?
We spend the chickpeas we boil them there, and here they get processed.
Oh, wow.
What we call this is like the raw cut. Here we cut the onions.
Do you have machines to cut all that?
No.
By hand? Wow.
But it's not a lot of cutting.
Cool operation, though.
It is, yeah.
Huh? Nice condom. Don't mess up my babushka. What, like this
These are the turnips. You see, Sandy, we pickled the turnips like back home, like that's huge.
Yeah, with lemon and
What do you got over there?
Vinegar. Sandy
Where's
stole.
my, where's
Sandy
my,
stole
where's my
from
goodie
us.
bag?
I got. You want a 10 pound bag?
you know what? You put this in your bags, you get half. How about that? Because I didn't bring my bags with me.
I'll just fill my saddlebags up with hummus. Oh, you got it upstairs too?
Yes, this is our outfit with the insulated panel, so we can produce up here.
Uh-huh.
At the moment, so basically it's just storage.
Oh, wow.
Okay, here's where they do the boxes. Plus all the stores, when they have junk, they don't, they can't fit it.
Oh, got you.
And then this is, this is the lab.
Oh, that's the lab. That's where
This is
the magic
this is
happens.
When we put that, we test it for microbials and stuff like that.
What, do you open it already?
No, there's like the little,
Look at this
on
slob.
their hands were.
Easy, Sandy.
When they were handling
the guy
it,
don't
so-
even wash his hands. Big slob.
I do once a week. What do you want?
The air compressor for that big machine.
So it has to be warm up here?
No, it doesn't have the compressor.
The compressor's building heat.
And then he had the heat on it to stand it off.
Oh, chickpeas. Wow. Wow. And this?
It's sesame, the hay.
Sesame?
Yeah,
Wow.
the sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds?
Brown sesame.
Oh, wow.
That's a major ingredient in the hummus.
Wow. Very interesting. Do that say that? Very cool. Very cool. All right, we got a nice tour of the place. Now we're gonna head back home.